Hello and welcome to another episode of Elephant English Podcast. Today I'm going to be talking about what I do in the evenings. I'm going to be following some speaking questions that you might have in your speaking exam, and I'm going to answer these questions. The first question is, what do you do in the evenings? In the evenings, I usually relax because I come home from work in the late afternoon. Some things I do to relax are watch an episode of my favourite series, play with my cat, or do some exercise. I enjoy going for a short walk around my neighbourhood when the weather is nice, so that I can spend some time outdoors while doing a bit of exercise. I sometimes need to go grocery shopping in the evening, but I don't usually go to many different places in the evenings after work. Question number 2 is, do you do the same thing every evening? I usually do similar things every evening from Monday to Thursday because of work. I have a routine that I normally follow every day. However, my evenings are different at the weekend. On Friday and Saturday evenings, I usually go out to do something different, like meeting my friends or going for a drink. Question number 3 is, do you spend your evenings with family or friends? I only spend my evenings with friends at the weekend, but my family often comes to visit me in the evenings from Monday to Friday. When my family comes to visit, it is an informal occasion, but when my friends visit, it is more of a special occasion. This is why I prefer to spend time with friends only at the weekend. Question number 4 is, do you ever work in the evenings? Yes, I sometimes work in the evenings. When I have a lot of exams to correct, I have to do them after work. I try to avoid marking activities and exams at home, but sometimes there is just not enough time. Question number 5 is, what is a popular activity that young people in your country do in the evenings? I think that a lot of young people in England like spending time at the gym or going for a run. They enjoy these activities because it makes them feel refreshed after coming home from work. Also, it is quite motivating to see how you improve every time you go for a run or go to the gym. The last question is, what did you used to do in the evenings when you were a child? When I was a child, I used to spend my evenings doing my homework, playing, and looking after my pets. I used to take about an hour to do my homework, which I used to start at 4 o'clock. After that, I would play with my brother for a few hours. Sometimes we played in the garden and other times we stayed inside playing Lego. Then we would feed all of our pets and take our dogs for a walk. This would take more than an hour because we had so many animals. In today's video, I've talked about what I do in the evenings. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make a lot of these videos on different topics. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.